Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best White River Fillet is probably one of the most essential tools in any angler's arsenal, designed to make the delicate task of filleting your catch as effortless and precise as possible, ensuring you get the most out of your time on the water and the bounty you bring home. This knife isn't just about sharpness, it's about control, flexibility, and durability, making it a trusted companion for both seasoned professionals and weekend warriors who demand reliability when it matters most. Its ergonomic design and superior blade geometry work in harmony to deliver clean, efficient cuts every single time, transforming a potentially messy job into a satisfying part of the fishing experience. Number 5. Rhinoreto Fillet Knife. Experience the unparalleled sharpness and flexibility of our premium fillet knife. Its curved blade is designed to effortlessly glide through fish, making filleting a breeze. The non-stick coating ensures that your fish slides off with ease. Coupled with a comfortable, non-slip rubber handle, it provides a secure grip for both left and right-handed users. This versatile knife is perfect for filleting both freshwater and saltwater fish. It's designed to handle all your boning and filleting tasks with precision. Our vented sheath not only reduces weight but also provides excellent protection for the blade. It's ideal for safe storage and convenient travel. Keep your blade in perfect condition with the included double-sided sharpener. Its angled ceramic plates ensure a razor-sharp edge every time you use it. Presented in an elegant black box, this complete set makes a thoughtful gift for any fishing enthusiast or culinary professional. It's a gift that will be truly appreciated. What we like. This knife features a flexible, curved blade with a non-stick coating for effortless filleting. It also comes with an easy-to-use sharpener. If you are looking for a complete set that makes filleting easier and keeps your blade sharp, this is a great choice. What people say. The knife is extremely sharp and holds an edge well, making filleting fish effortless. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, even when wet. The flexible blade allows for precise maneuvering around bones and skin, resulting in clean fillets. Number 4. BUBBA Multiflex Interchangeable Blade Kit. Introducing the BUBBA Multiflex Interchangeable Blade Kit, designed for the serious angler. It features a comfortable, non-slip grip handle for secure handling in any condition. Crafted with high-carbon stainless steel, these blades offer exceptional durability. The patented non-slip grip ensures reliable use, even when wet, with added safety guards for protection. This kit includes 4 distinct full-tang blades, 8 ultra flex, 7 tapered flex, 9 stiff, and a 9 serrated blade. Effortlessly switch between them for any fishing task. Experience quick and seamless blade changes with this versatile set. Adapt to any situation on the water with ease. Enjoy peace of mind with a limited 1-year warranty from BUBBA. We stand behind the quality and performance of this essential fishing tool. What we like. This kit offers incredible versatility with its interchangeable blades and a reliable non-slip grip handle. If you need a single tool that can adapt to various filleting and boning tasks, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. Very sharp blades. Handles are ergonomically perfect. The large stiff blade and small flex blade are fantastic, and better quality than most knives I've used before. The large stiff blade goes right through big saltwater ribs. An awesome investment for every hunter-fisherman's arsenal. Number 3. Victorinox Fibrox 8-inch Fillet Knife. Introducing the Victorinox Fibrox 8-inch Fillet Knife. Experience unparalleled precision and control for all your filleting needs. Its straight-edge blade is expertly crafted for clean, effortless cuts. Achieve professional results with every slice. The flexible black handle offers a comfortable and secure grip, even when wet. This ensures safety and maneuverability during use. Built with Victorinox renowned quality, this knife is designed for durability and long-lasting performance in your kitchen. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, this fillet knife is an essential tool for preparing fish and other delicate ingredients. What we like. This fillet knife boasts a straight-edge blade and a flexible handle for comfortable use. If you prioritize a straightforward, durable, and reliable tool for everyday filleting, this option is an excellent companion. What people say. The knife was super sharp right out of the packaging and I was able to make great fillets from walleye and rainbow trout. Very light, flexible, and sharp. Exactly what you need cutting fish. Super sharp. Glides through meat like a dream. Feels great in my hand and makes meat cutting so easy. Number 2. SYOKAMI 6.7-inch boning knife. Introducing the SYOKAMI boning knife, expertly designed for all your meat cutting needs. Its razor-sharp, flexible blade glides through deboning and trimming with unparalleled ease. Experience the ideal balance of flexibility and control. The precisely curved blade allows for effortless separation of meat from bone, ensuring clean cuts every time. Our innovative design features a blade suspension height that keeps the blade off surfaces, promoting hygiene. The contemporary gear teeth on the handle ensure a secure, non-slip grip, even when wet. This knife boasts a wider, ultra-sharp blade honed to perfection. It slices through tough cuts like pork shoulders and beef ribeye with minimal resistance, making your prep work faster. Constructed with premium materials and full tang design, this knife is built to last. The FSC certified wood handle offers a comfortable and classic feel. With its stunning design and exquisite packaging, this knife makes an ideal housewarming or any occasion gift. Surprise the cooks in your life with a tool they'll cherish. What we like. This boning knife features a unique suspended blade design for hygiene and a beautiful Damascus pattern on its wood handle. If you appreciate a blend of aesthetic appeal, practicality, and a focus on cleanliness in your kitchen tools, this is the one to consider. What people say. The knife came extremely sharp. It trimmed up my brisket like a knife through butter. The design is cool, it feels pretty durable and good quality. The high-carbon stainless steel blade is razor-sharp, honed to a perfect 13 to 15 degree edge, making deboning pork shoulders and filleting fish an absolute breeze. The 20 degrees flexibility of the curved blade offers incredible control, allowing me to glide along bones effortlessly for clean, precise cuts. The ergonomic Wedgwood handle with triple silver rivets feels fantastic in hand, providing a secure, non-slip grip even when wet, thanks to the unique gear teeth design. Number 1. Dalstrong Valhalla 7 Fillet Knife. Introducing the Dalstrong Valhalla series, knives forged for precision and built to last. Experience godlike performance with tools crafted from premium materials. This 7-inch fillet knife features a narrow, flexible blade perfect for intricate tasks. Its tapered point allows for precise bone removal and skinning. Crafted from high-carbon steel with a 60+ Rockwell hardness, it's hand-sharpened for a savage edge. Added chromium ensures superior rust and corrosion resistance. The handle combines celestial blue resin with stabilized wood for a sturdy, comfortable grip. Its rugged and gorgeous design is sure to turn heads. It comes complete with a Valhalla embossed leather sheath for protection. Keep it safe on the go or stored securely. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee and a lifetime warranty against defects. Join chefs worldwide who trust the Dalstrong difference. These exceptional knives make a perfect legacy gift this holiday season. Built to last a lifetime, they become a cherished generational treasure. What we like. This fillet knife stands out with its stunning celestial resin and wood handle, forged from high-carbon steel. If you're looking for a knife that combines exceptional performance with a unique, eye-catching design and comes with a protective sheath, this is an outstanding choice. What people say. They are high quality and cut really well. Sharp. Knife is very comfortable to use. Extremely well made. These knives will last a lifetime and beyond if they are taken care of. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.